This is where we screw up. This is where we kill ourselves. This is where we cost ourselves money. You know you can do ad hoc reporting, and it's just as good as real-time reporting. We try and win every argument by thinking the way I'm going to get this business is to come up with a quick and clever response and show them how wrong they are and how right I am. Sounds like this. You guys don't have real-time reporting. You don't need real-time reporting. We have ad hoc reporting. It's pretty much the same thing. It's basically like real-time reporting. Basically, it's not real-time reporting. That's what I need. Okay? People are exponentially more likely to do the thing you want them to do based on whose reasons? Your reasons or their reasons?
Their reason.
Exactly right, their reason. And when you say, hey, you guys don't have real-time reporting. Oh, you don't need real-time reporting. What we do have is ad hoc push reports, and it's pretty much the same thing. That's your reason. And now they don't want to do it. Okay, so simply agree with the objection, move forward. They bring it up again. You guys don't have real-time reporting. Check this out. Got it, Alex. What are some of your thoughts? Well, is there any, I mean, it's not ideal, but is there any way we could maybe schedule like push reports to go in, say, once in the afternoon and once in the mornings? Because our people really, as far as the real-time reporting, we really only need it in the mornings and the afternoons. There's two particular times. Yeah, which times are best for you? 2 p.m. Mountain and 8 a.m. Mountain. Yeah, we could set that up. Does it make sense to move forward with the agreement? Yeah, it does. And listen to how there's a much more collaborative dialogue when Alex solves his own damn problem, right? But we think, this little devil pops up on our shoulder and we think, we gotta go quick, gotta answer now, gotta answer fast. That's no way to make millions of dollars a year. Slow down. When you slow the process down, you will speed up the result. When you speed up trying to overcome an objection, which is what everybody in sales does, witty, clever response, bang, bang, right? Bang, bang, witty, clever response. All you're doing is killing your deals.